Hi, this is Willie Smith with the Military Mortgage Pros at Hamilton Group Funding, bringing you this week's Military Mortgage Minute. Now that the new year is here, there's a lot of people that are starting things off by setting New Year's resolutions. One resolution that's popular with a lot of people is, hey, this is the year that I'm going to buy a house. So, one of the things that you want to think about first is, what is your why? What is the reason that you really want to buy that house? Is it because a family member just recently bought a house, a friend, maybe a coworker, or maybe you just think now is the time? Sometimes that's not a big enough reason in order for you to do it. You want to really determine what your why is. Is it you're ready to build wealth and legacy? Is it a situation where you're really to get out there and start owning versus wasting money paying rent? Find out what your why is. So when things get a little tough with the process or getting prepared to buy, you can stick it out. If you have any additional questions or any comments that you want me to speak about in the future, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you, and you have an awesome day.